Come get it. Come here to Mama.
I knew she would be okay, and we were trying to do this on a short-term basis.
Bless you. Bless you.
I feel like I'm a good mom. I feel like I've...
Come get them. Come on. Look at you go. Yay. Lily, you just crawled from the couch to Mama's. Yes, you did. Lily, you just crawled. Lily. Lily. Hey, what are you doing? Are you going to come see me? There's Bubba over there, trying to help me make her crawl.
I'm gonna get those toys and call again. Okay, did I have the toys?
I'm Dr. David Fetz, and I specialize in obsessive compulsive disorder and...
Oh, did Bubba get your toys?
Okay. Way back over there.
Bubba moved them again. Come get them. Look at you.
Upon getting
Yay! Go, Lily. Lily. Lily, say yay!
It is just absolutely
Don't take him again. She worked hard for that one.
I know, but I wanted to do it again. It's funny.
It's just unbelievable.
Funny, come on.
She's gonna go get him.
Wait.
See, this is your bedroom. This is my bed. Wow, okay.
How did you sleep like that?
And this is also where you spend most of your time.
Come on, Lily. Look at you.
She's not trying to go.
Okay.
I'm so close to the refrigerator that I wish I could get to so bad.
Lily. Lily.
And a working refrigerator.
I'm working refrigerator.
Say yay.
So I wound up buying this little cooler.
Yeah.
Yay.
Drinks and stuff now. And hard to get it to the customer.
Roy's situation in that bedroom is very common in a house where people are hoarding things.
That's pretty much everything all around.
His bed is for the last bastion of normalcy for him. Why do you
Aww. Was that a workout, baby?
kind of offer
Was that a workout for my baby?
She's done it 3 times.
Yay.